Hello my beautiful people, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to make a simple palmnut soup, also known as Banga stew. Let's go guys. First of all, you are going to put in your palmnut in a bowl. You pour water and wash it until it is very clean. After washing it, you are going to turn it into your pot. Put in water enough to cook your palm nut. Then in another pot, I'm going to be boiling the protein I'm using my beef, the stockfish, dry fish. This is my banga now, it's still cooking. Then I'm going back to my meat. I'll spice it with some peppers, onions and seasoning cubes. I'm going in with my palmnut. You can use any protein of your choice, but this is the one that I have and I am using for this recipe. Now we are going to be blending our peppers. For this recipe, you are only using habanero pepper and enough onions. When you are making banga soup, you need to be generous with your onions. There I have my fish. I am going to blend it until it is soft. And back to my palm nut now. It is ready. I'm going to sieve out the water and pound. At this point, I am done pounding. I'm going to turn it into a bowl and put in a boiling water. Make sure your water is so hot, like so hot. Then you are going to sieve out the chaff because you are making use of the liquid. At this point, I'm going to be adding in the dry fish because I don't want to overcook it, followed by the blended peppers. Give it a very quick mix before I go in with the palm nut juice that I extracted earlier. Don't forget, add in your spices, depends on the type of seasoning cubes you are using. You are going to cover this and allow it to cook until it thickens. Can you see? Now I am putting my ogiri and uziza seed. If you have ogiri and uziza seed, you can as well use it. Now it has thickened and this is how it looks. Can you see? The last ingredient we are going to be putting in is our leaf. You can use your bitter leaf for this last stage. Give it a very good mix and voila, a yummy palm nut soup or banga soup is ready. You can serve this with your rice or fufu. See you in my next video.